Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to show you the best OBS Studio settings for low-end PC streaming. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. In this guide, we'll explore the best OBS settings for low-end PC streaming. OBS Studio is a powerful software for live streaming and content creation, but it can be demanding on system resources. If you have a low-end PC, optimizing OBS Studio settings can help you achieve smooth and lag-free streaming. We'll cover the essential settings that you need to adjust in OBS Studio to optimize your performance, from video encoding settings to resolutions and bitrate adjustment. We'll provide a step-by-step instruction to ensure that your stream runs smoothly without compromising quality. By the end of this tutorial, we'll have the knowledge and settings to get the most out of OBS Studio on your low-end PC and deliver enjoyable streaming experience for yourselves. Now let's get started. Now the first thing you're going to do is, of course, you're going to have to install OBS from obs.com. You're simply going to open a new tab on your browser and you're going to search OBS. And as you can see here, this is what you're going to click on. You're going to click on the OBS Studio and you're simply going to download it on your Windows, macOS, or Linux, depending on your platform or your operating system. After doing that, this is what you're going to see, and I'm going to teach you how you can set up your OBS first things first. Now to start capturing your window, as you can see right now, I have my sources over here. To add a source, you're simply going to click on the plus button and you have all of these different options that we have right now. We have audio capture, audio output capture, browser, color source, display capture, Droidcam OBS, game capture, image slideshow, media source, scene, text, video capture device, and window capture over here. You're going to choose the specific settings over here depending on what you would like to record. For example, you would like to record a game. You're going to click on this game capture over here, which would allow you to record any game that you are currently running. For the mode, you're going to have to go to capture specific window, click on the window, and you're going to search for the specific game that you are looking at. Right now, I don't have the options over here because I'm not running any game right now, but you're going to see it over here. And after that, you're simply going to click on OK, and it will capture the specific screen that you have instructed it to capture. So right now, we're going to disable that for now. Now, what you're going to do to start fixing your settings for low-end PC is you're going to click on settings over here on the bottom right. By clicking this, the settings would appear on our screen just like this. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your video. On the video, you're going to have to adjust your resolutions over here. You're going to have to lower it to the lowest possible, or 120/80 or 720. Right now, I can't edit our resolutions because we are currently recording and we can't edit this as we are recording. You are also going to lower your FPS over here. You're going to have to lower it to 30 FPS. And after that, you're going to go to your output over here. In the output, you're going to click on the output mode over here and you're going to have to change it to high. And by clicking on high, you will be able to see a lot of more options for you to use. On the video bitrate also, you're going to have to change this to 20,000, which would help you optimize your streaming experience. As you can see like that, we're going to have that as our video bitrate right now. And you're going to have to click on apply after doing all of those settings that I have told you, and click on apply, and you will be able to have the best settings for your OBS. Now, how will you able to stream using OBS? You're going to have to go to a streaming platform, for example, Twitch. As you can see here, we're going to use this as an example for our stream. So we're going to go to our creator dashboard over here, and we're going to connect our Twitch and our OBS over here. We're going to click on our sidebar over here, click on settings, click on stream. And as you can see here, we're going to copy our primary stream key over here. Go to OBS, click on settings, click on stream. We're going to click on Twitch over here, and we're going to use stream key, We're going to type in our stream key over here. We're going to paste it just like that. And after that, we're going to get stream key. Click on apply and click on OK. And just like that, our OBS is now connected with our Twitch stream over here. Now what you're going to do over here on the Twitch stream is you're going to click on Stream Manager, and you will be able to edit your activity feed, your My Chat, your quick actions over here. You will be able to see your sessions, viewers, followers, and bitrate over here. There is a lot of more advanced settings that you could do with Twitch to help you out with your streaming. So we're going to try and see what happens if we start streaming right now. We're going to go to our OBS, click on Start Streaming. Let's see if it will allow us to connect with our Twitch. As you can see here, also below, you will be able to see information about your stream. You have your drop FPS over here, your drop frames, your live count over here, how long I've been recording. You also have your KPS over here, our FPS, and our CPU percentage over here. Going back to our Twitch, as you can see, we are currently streaming our screen. As you can see here, there's a bit of delay because we are currently streaming, so there will be delays, a few second delays and stuff like that. You can see we are currently live, and right now we don't have anything in our activity feed. Our live is excellent. As you can see here, our bitrate is high. We have 5,760 kbps. We have follower 0, 1 viewer, which is us. We also have our session over here. It's going to show us how long we've been recording our session. We could also click on settings over here. For our chat settings, we have mod icons, mod actions, message caught by automods, appearance, highlights, and more information about that. You could also add a filter if you would like over here. You could also click on chat. We could say maybe hi, just like that, and we will have a chat appearing on our section over here. This is where you're going to see your viewers chat and all of those stuff. Now going back to OBS, if you would like to stop your streaming, you're simply going to click on stop streaming over here. Now if you would like to record other things, you're simply going to click on plus over here, and maybe you would like to record your browser or any other platform aside from a game. You're going to click on window capture over here, and you would be able to add this. Click on OK, and you would be able to select a settings over here. As you can see, the settings is for mouse. You could change it to, for example, Twitch over here. And our capture method is automatic, bit over here, Windows 7 and up, and Windows 10 and up over here. As you can see, we are currently seeing the recording of our Twitch. You could choose this and have this as a recording also, and whatever specific application currently opened on your computer right now. You could do that, and whatever you would like to do with your recording system. Now to delete a recording system or a source over here, you're simply going to click on right click, and you're going to click on remove, and you would be able to remove the specific source. If you want to remove your game, you're going to click on remove, just like that once again. If you don't want to remove a source but you would like to hide them, you can simply click on the eye icon over here, which would either make it visible or non-visible over here. And you can also rearrange your different components over here if you would like. If you would like to have them arranged differently, you can customize how you would like to see your different gadgets over here. You can also resize them by clicking here, just like that. And that's it, guys. That's how you can adjust your settings for your OBS for the best settings for low-end PC. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.